Hey guys, I'm really excited about today's topic because it's super fascinating. Did you know that your feet can actually reveal some potential liver problems? I know it sounds a bit wild, but stick with me. Before we dive in, I just want to stress that this info is not for self-diagnosis. If you're feeling off or suspect any liver issues, please make sure to see a doctor for proper testing and diagnosis. What we're chatting about today are just some signs that might hint at underlying liver health concerns. So let's get started with some intriguing signs you should keep an eye out for on your feet and lower legs. One of the first things you might notice are small red and brown dots. These little guys can vary in size and might even have a slight sheen to them. They usually pop up on the lower leg and can often indicate poor circulation. While this can be linked to various health issues like diabetes, it's frequently associated with liver problems. Your lower legs and feet can actually tell you a lot about your overall health. Think about it. Your heart has to pump blood all the way down to your feet and then back up through the vascular system. So when there's a liver or heart issue, it often shows up as a vascular problem. You're more likely to see these signs in your feet and lower legs because they are so far from the heart. It's pretty amazing how our bodies communicate with us, right? So keep your eyes peeled for these signs, and let's take care of our health together. Spider veins, also known as spider nevus, are a pretty common sight when it comes to liver issues like cirrhosis. So what's going on here? Well, when the liver gets damaged, it can lead to an increase in estrogen levels, which messes with the vascular system. This can cause those pesky varicose veins and spider veins to pop up, especially in the lower legs. Now let's shift gears to another telltale sign, cracked heels. If you're noticing dry and cracked skin on your feet, it could be more than just a cosmetic issue. This condition often points to a deficiency in vitamin B3 or even a lack of omega-3 fatty acids. The liver is super important because it produces bile, which helps our bodies absorb those essential fatty acids. Plus, it plays a key role in processing fat-soluble vitamins like A and E that are crucial for maintaining healthy skin. So when your liver isn't working at its best, it can really show up in the form of dry, cracked skin on your feet. Interestingly, the Islamic tradition has a long history of emphasizing the importance of good health. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is reported to have said, "There is no disease that Allah has created except that He also has created its treatment." This powerful hadith really encourages us to seek knowledge and remedies for our health issues, highlighting how vital it is to take care of our bodies and listen to the signs they give us. Itching on the bottom of your feet is one of those symptoms that often gets overlooked, but can actually be pretty significant. You might not realize it, but this persistent itch can hint at a backup of fluids in your liver. When your liver isn't functioning properly, bile can back up and cause a buildup of histamines. This congestion can lead to that annoying itchy sensation that just won't go away. Another thing to watch out for is pain or inflammation in the bottom of your foot. A lot of folks might think they have plantar fasciitis, but it could be a sign of liver issues instead. And don't forget about hot feet. If your feet feel unusually warm, it might be another symptom pointing to liver problems. Now here's a surprising one that might catch you off guard. Bad foot odor can actually be linked to your liver. When your liver isn't detoxifying effectively, toxins can build up and get expelled through your skin. This often results in feet that smell worse than usual. If your liver is struggling, it's likely that other systems in your body, like your kidneys and colon, are also feeling the strain. So paying attention to these signs can really make a difference. Let's dive into pitting edema. You know that moment when you press your finger into your lower leg and the indentation lingers for a bit? That's what we call pitting edema. It's more than just a quirky thing your body does. This fluid buildup is actually a common symptom of liver problems. It's like a red flag that your body is having a tough time processing and getting rid of fluids like it should. Now let's chat about fungal infections. Toenail fungus is something many people deal with, and it's surprisingly more common in those with liver issues. This often stems from an imbalance in the gut microflora, which can lead to an overgrowth of fungi and yeast on the body. You might start to notice some changes in your nail beds. They could appear a bit white, and you might even lose that little moon-shaped area at the base of your nail, known as the lunula. It's fascinating how our body gives us these signals. So what causes liver problems? There are quite a few factors at play. Medication side effects can sneak up on you. Excessive sugar consumption, especially from high fructose corn syrup, can be a hidden culprit. A diet packed with processed foods and lacking in raw veggies can really take a toll. Alcohol abuse is another big one, and don't forget about excessive protein intake. Each of these can contribute to liver stress and issues. The renowned Muslim physician Ibn Sina, known in the West as Avicenna, was truly ahead of his time. When it came to health and wellness, he emphasized the importance of moderation in diet for maintaining overall health. In his famous work, The Canon of Medicine, he meticulously detailed the liver's vital role in digestion and how a balanced diet can positively impact its function. So what can you do to support your liver health? First and foremost, focus on a diet that is rich in colorful vegetables. These vibrant foods are packed with essential enzymes and antioxidants that are crucial for optimal liver function. Think about incorporating leafy greens, like spinach and kale, as well as cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli and Brussels sprouts. If you're new to my channel, I highly recommend checking out my video on how combining a healthy ketogenic diet with intermittent fasting can work wonders for your liver health. Staying hydrated is also incredibly important. Water acts as a natural detoxifier, helping to flush out toxins from your body and supporting overall liver function. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, and don't forget about green tea. This delightful beverage is loaded with antioxidants that can really give your liver a boost. So why not sip on some green tea while you're at it? Regular exercise is absolutely essential for maintaining a healthy liver. It not only helps improve circulation, but also plays a significant role in keeping your weight in check. You know what? Just a simple 30-minute walk each day can really work wonders for your liver health. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how you feel overall. Now let's talk about liver-supporting herbs, because they can be a game changer. Milk thistle has been a go-to for centuries when it comes to liver health. It's known for its ability to protect liver cells and promote regeneration. Turmeric is another powerhouse herb with its anti-inflammatory properties that can really benefit your liver. But remember to always chat with your healthcare professional before diving into any new supplement routine to ensure it's the right fit for you. And hey, if you enjoy a drink now and then, it's super important to keep your alcohol consumption in check. Try to limit it to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 for men. Even better, consider cutting it out completely for the best liver function possible. Taking these steps can truly help your liver thrive. Managing stress is such an important but often overlooked part of keeping your liver healthy. Chronic stress can really take a toll on your liver, right? When you're constantly feeling stressed out, it can lead to inflammation and even impact your liver's ability to detoxify your body effectively. So incorporating practices like meditation or deep breathing exercises can be a total game changer. Even simple yoga stretches can help you unwind and keep those stress levels in check. And let's not forget about sleep. Getting enough quality sleep is absolutely essential for your overall health. During sleep, your body is hard at work repairing and detoxifying itself. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night in a cool, dark room to really maximize your recovery. The liver is truly amazing in its ability to heal itself. With the right care and lifestyle changes, many liver issues can actually be reversed. Catching problems early is key, and that's why being aware of those signs in your feet is so valuable. Your body is like this amazing, interconnected system where everything affects everything else. So when something's off with your liver, it can show up in all sorts of unexpected ways. For example, if your liver is struggling, you might notice changes in your skin or even how your body feels overall. Taking care of your liver is like giving a boost to your entire health and well-being. Regular checkups with your doctor are super important too. These signs we talked about can definitely be hints of liver issues, but only proper medical testing can give you the full picture. So don't hesitate to bring up any concerns you have with your healthcare provider. They're there to help you. In conclusion, your feet are more than just feet. They can actually give you valuable insights into your liver health. From discoloration to spider veins and even cracked heels or fungal infections, these signs are worth paying attention to. By being aware of these potential indicators, you can take proactive steps to support your liver health and feel your best. Absolutely remember that the journey to optimal health is a continuous adventure. It's all about making those consistent, positive choices every single day. Think about it. You could choose a fresh salad packed with nutrients over greasy fast food, or maybe take a refreshing walk outside instead of just lounging on the couch. Even prioritizing quality sleep can make a world of difference. These seemingly small decisions really add up to significant improvements in your overall health and well-being. So why not take a moment today to really check your feet? Look for any of those signs we've talked about. No matter what you discover, make a commitment to yourself to implement just one positive change for your liver health. Trust me, your body will absolutely thank you for it. Stay healthy, stay informed, and keep pushing toward your best self. Till next time, take care, and here's to your health.